Noisy.
You know, already, I thank Yahweh for this day. I know it's kind of cliche, but I really didn't want to be out here right now. I woke up, not hungover, but I had a beer before bed. I'm not a big drinker. I don't drink. I just couldn't sleep. I needed to rebuild some energy. And I woke up like, man, maybe I just need another day off. Maybe I need to just rest a little bit more. And then I was like, I hear you making excuses. Always with the excuses. Excuses 3,000. And so, yeah, I got up and I was like, man, I am my worst enemy. Can I defeat myself? I've done it before. And then here we are. Did it again. Not all the time do we feel like getting up and going. And it's just that those voices in our heads tell us and find every reason to not do it. You gotta fight those reasons. You gotta fight those voices. Who wouldn't want to be out here? It's just not love. Look at this day. You don't want to be outside on this day. You don't want to feel this sun on this day. You don't want to feel this love on this day. Why? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? It's such a lovely day. All right. So it looks like we're coming on to our biggest print, and it's looking fantastic. Y'all, wagwan. So very excited today, y'all, because today we get to put up the shelves. Well, shelves going up here. I'm so excited because the prints came out very, very perfect. The only problem is not the color I wanted, but I don't trust my carbon fiber yet, and my hair is wet because I got out of the shower. But I don't trust the carbon fiber yet, so I didn't print this one with the carbon fiber. And we also just finished this one right here is the spool for my LED. But I'm happy. It looks good. Oh, right there is my katana holder. This is going up on the wall as well. Yes, sir. So, very excited. Today is a good day. So we're gonna post up. We're gonna place this on the wall. I don't want to drill holes into it, but I got to, unfortunately. It is what it is. It's gonna be up a while, so I guess it's okay, but I'm gonna have to fill it afterwards and repaint it, and it's a nuisance. But I'm happy we got these done. So that's a good thing. We got a few other things going on. So let's just get to work and have a great day. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I really wish it printed with 2 holes. There's not gonna be much movement on it. I mean, I don't need it to be perfect. I just need it to be able to hold, you know, a little bit of weight. And I don't think it's gonna be too crazy movement up here. So I'm not too worried about it. It can sit like it is for now. The key factor is will this go up? And I think for now it'll be pretty good. Not too many problems out of it, and it sits pretty perfect over the printer itself. So I'm happy. Up there, it don't look too bad. I'm gonna have to do something about these cords here. Yeah. I'm sure when I get my multi-filament system, it won't be the worst thing in the world. But for now, I think it'll work. It's not very, it's not the best design because it still needs holes. I'm not sure why it's like that, but it is what it is. It looks excellent. You see that? This is a new spool holder for the Neptune, as you can see there. It feels lovely. There's a little bit of a blemish here for the end of the print. It happens, but it still overall has a very, very nice touch to it. So got to print out another one of these. It just wouldn't fit on this plate, so I just wanted to get everything as much as I could done and kind of push the printer to see like what I can get done on it, and it looks pretty good. It's not a lot of waste either, so I'm very satisfied. It looks lovely. It looks excellent. All right. We got something special coming up. I'm just going through, and hopefully, you know what's coming.